Girls, Newcastle 1, Leicester 1. What do you make of today's game?
Well,
Absolutely terrible. Absolutely raging with the score because
I think we dominated. I think we dominated the whole time.
we should have won because like every day when I go to bed at night I just think, oh sorry, I just think like up the MAGS because like I love them so much personally and like I'm so upset that they didn't win. Actually I'm devastated. What do you think, Lucia?
Not much really.
I do not think much.
Just don't.
Well I do. I think we should have personally won and I'm really angry that Leicester won.
We were the better side though, weren't we?
Yeah, definitely we were the better side, definitely. Yeah.
Were you booing Perez?
We didn't actually.
Didn't know who Perez is.
No, we don't know the name.
When other people boo, did you boo?
Yeah, we were like going woo like that, and then when we needed to say boo.
Was this the first game you've been to tonight? Like,
Yeah.
Is it?
No, we didn't even go to the game.
Yeah, we did. Lucia, I want to be on TV.
We did go to it. No.
Yeah, we did.
Tonight.
It was rubbish
Yeah.
though. Probably won't ever go to another one.
Never again. Already.
No, of course we will. I like supporting Newcastle personally. Up the MAGS.
Who's the best player for Newcastle?
Alan Shearer.
What, still?
Yeah.
Matthew Debussy.
He's still going as well. And big fans of Steve Bruce, are we?
Yeah.
Love Steve Bruce.
Do.
Yeah.
Messi.
And Messi.
Lionel Messi.
He's come Newcastle Messi, you heard it here first.
Colaccini.
Anything else you want to say?
Follow us on Instagram at Grace Gonzalez GONS. No, Grace and then do you mind first? Grace Gonzalez GONSALEZ.
Lucia Davidson. LUCIA.Davidson. Thanks for having me.
Yes.
Bye.